If you want to learn how to get free items off the TikTok shop this Christmas, watch to the end of this video. So I've seen everybody on social media talk about this TikTok rewards program where you can get paid to invite people to join the app. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you guys everything you need to know about this program and some misconceptions some of y'all people have. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to your TikTok profile page and click this purple ticket up to the top and it'll take you to that homepage. Let's talk about a common misconception first, because I see a lot of people sharing these leaks, especially on Facebook, talking about let's get to this money because they think it's free money. Well, it's not exactly that. Let's start off with the first thing is that these rewards are just coupons that you can only use on the TikTok shop. So if you're doing this thinking that you're about to make actual money, then you're wasting your time. So this is how the pay works. You get $50 for each new user that you get to download TikTok and create an account. And for each existing user that clicks on your link, you get an extra $2 for it. But there are some things you need to know before you start redeeming that money. The balance updates almost instantly, and then you can just go redeem it right here. But here's where a lot of people are messing up. Only redeem the amount you need for your exact purchase, because I redeemed a $50 coupon and my item was only $32. That extra $18 that was left on the coupon disappears. So only redeem the amount that you're actually going to use for your purchase, because if you don't, that remaining amount does not go back to your balance. It is just gone. Also, these coupons do not go towards shipping, so you can get free items with these coupons, but just remember that you still have to pay for shipping afterwards. But this is legit. I tested it out and it did work. So just remember that you people that are posting this on Facebook thinking that you're about to make rent money with this, remember that these coupons are only for the TikTok shop and only apply towards TikTok shop purchases. And make sure to follow me for more videos like this.